Get your laughing gear around a smoked brisket and cheese pie. What do you reckon? Can we even impress our Kiwi brothers and sisters from across the pond? We all know how much they hate our pies in the comments. Right, this is all you're gonna need. Check out the description. Your binder. There. Diced onions in first, saute them till they're soft. Hit it with about 4 or 5 grinds of salt. Bring in your celery, carrot, garlic and bay leaves. Have a little taste, then add some more salt if required. Cup of gravy, 500 ml of beef stock, 3 tablespoons of washyasister, then add your smoked brisket. Let that simmer for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Whilst the beef's simmering, we're going to lightly lube up the pan. Now you can use store-bought or homemade. See my previous recipes for my homemade short crust. We're just going to layer that into the tin with a bit of overhang, offcuts, etc., just to fill in the gaps. Leave about a centimetre or so for overhang and then just trim the rest off. And if your hands are rough as guts, just use some of the offcuts just to patch yourself up. Now we're going to blind bake it, so just carefully press some grease-proof paper into the pie tin over the pastry. Use some baking weights or some rice just to weigh it down. Bang that into the oven at 180 Celsius for about 15-20 minutes. Right, whilst that's happening, add your cornstarch slurry. Remove your bay leaves. Now this is when you want to cool down your pie mixture. Put it in a big tray, let it cool down on the bench or straight into the oven. We don't want the hot mixture to go into the pie shell. We've now removed the pie weights back into the oven for about 10 minutes, just till it gets a little bit golden on the bottom.
Bang in your pie mixture.
Bit of that beaten egg yolk just around the rim. And some mozzarella, some parmesan, some cheddar mixed up, grated freshly straight over the top. Then just layer your puff straight over that. Bang on the rest of that egg yolk. And a light dash of grilled flaky salt. That is now ready for the oven, 180 Celsius until golden on the top. Top's beautifully golden. Let's give it about 10 to 15 minutes because that's going to be like freaking lava. Righto, let's slice her open. Oh! Get your Mark 1 eyeball around there. How fucking good does that look?
Alright, that could put a horn on a bloody snail.
If you think you're going to use dead horse on this pie, you can go give yourself an uppercut. Let's give this red hot shot, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh God. If you've got the facilities, how the hell are you not having a smoked pie instead of just a normal steak pie? Get amongst it, you unlubed weapons, bang it in.